Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to cancel an element. If you have made a mistake in your PNR, or the passenger has changed some information or will no longer be traveling, you can delete or cancel an element to remove it completely. You can cancel any element in a PNR, but if you cancel name elements, then it cancel automatically all elements associated to the itinerary. In our PNR, passenger 3 has decided he is no longer going to be traveling, so we need to delete him from PNR. We can see that email address on line 7 and remark on line 16 are both associated with passenger 3. To cancel name element number 3 and all associated information from PNR, enter transaction XE plus 3 element number 3 from PNR. Now PNR has been updated. Passenger has been removed from the PNR and information associated with him, elements previously on line 7 and 16 have also been cancelled and automatically deleted. Once you have cancelled name element, you have to say PNR before you can cancel any other element. Now we will cancel segment 5 of itinerary for return flight. All associated SSR on line 9 and 12 have been associated to this segment. Enter XC transaction plus 5 element number 5 of PNR. As you can see, the flight has been cancelled, and as well as all the SSR associated with this segment have also been cancelled and are no longer displayed in the PNR. How to cancel itinerary? If you want to cancel the entire itinerary in one entry, use XI transaction. This cancels all itinerary elements. All the remains are name element and the AP elements. Also will update the ticketing element to TK OK. And that's it. You have just learned how to cancel elements in a PNR. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.